In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new label in Gmail. Labels are Gmail's way of organizing your inbox so you can find things faster. They work a lot like folders, but with one big advantage: you can apply multiple labels to the same email. That means a message can belong to more than one category without needing to be duplicated. First, log into your Gmail account. Use your preferred browser and open Gmail as you normally would. Once you're signed in and looking at your inbox, we'll move to the sidebar on the left. This is where Gmail keeps your mailboxes and organizational tools. Next, find the Labels section. On most screens, you'll see items like Inbox, Starred, Sent, and more. If your sidebar is condensed, you might see a More option. Clicking that will expand the list so you can view your full set of folders and labels. You're looking for the area labeled Labels where your custom categories appear. This is your hub for organizing messages the way that makes sense to you. Now click on the plus icon to create a new label. Depending on your interface, you might see a small plus next to Labels or a Create New Label option. Both lead to the same place, a simple window where you can name your label. This is the one action that actually adds a new organizing category to your Gmail. Set the name for your label. For example, let's type Slack. Pick a name that clearly reflects what will go inside: a project, a client, a team, or a topic. Keeping names short and descriptive helps you scan your sidebar quickly and maintain a tidy structure over time. Once you've entered the name, click Create. That's it, your label is now active. You'll see it appear in the left sidebar along with your other labels. From here, you can recognize it at a glance and start keeping related emails grouped together. If you ever need to rename or remove it later, you can do that from the same area without affecting your messages. You're done. You've successfully added a new label to your Gmail account. This small setup step pays off every day as your inbox grows. With labels like Slack, you'll be able to separate communications by source or topic and retrieve them quickly whenever you need to. Keep your list focused, use clear names, and your inbox will stay organized and easy to manage. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner Gmail.